Hello everyone, my name is Sriram Varma Chandalapati and my Z number is 23814-108, and this is the demonstration of my project titled Comparative Study of Brute Force and Divide and Conquer Approaches for the Closest Pair of Points Problem. And the objective of this problem was to implement the different algorithms for solving the closest pair of points problem, analyze their theoretical time complexities, and compare them using empirical runtime experiments. And two algorithms implemented are brute force approach with big O of n square time complexity and divide and conquer approach with big O of n log n time complexity. And we'll go to the coding part. The project was developed in a Jupyter notebook on Google Colab using Python, and random data sets were generated with input sizes ranging from 10,000 to 100,000 points, increasing in increments of 10,000. For each input size, 10 independent trials were conducted to compute an accurate average runtime. And both the algorithms, brute force and divide and conquer, were tested using the same input data sets for a fair comparison. And I'll show you the outputs. This is the results table for the brute force algorithm showing the input size, theoretical runtime, actual empirical runtime, constant ratio C, and predicted runtime. Similarly, this is the results table for the divide and conquer algorithm. And the constant C for each algorithm was calculated based on the ratio between empirical and theoretical times and used to predict the future runtimes. And coming to the graph analysis, these are the graphs which visualize the experimental results. The first graphs compares the actual runtime of the brute force and divide and conquer approaches. It clearly shows that brute force runtime grows much faster than divide and conquer as input size increases. And the second graph shows the actual versus the predicted runtime for the brute force approach. And third graph shows the actual versus predicted runtime for the divide and conquer approach. And in conclusion, we can say that the divide and conquer approach proved to be significantly more scalable and efficient for large data sets, as expected, based on its big of analog and time complexity. And the experimental results strongly match the theoretical predictions. Thank you for watching my video.